I'm really pretty disgusted in a lot of ways. At 2:52 p.m., the 9th of October, 2022. I was doing a post when she got back. She brought a bunch of cat food back. No tuna for me. She stopped at the gas station. She drove by all kinds of places. If she went to pet supermarket, less than 3 minutes away was the dollar store. She comes out and says, "This is natural diet. Here, Rimpy. Here, sweetie." So Rimpy's not going to eat those chunks. I'll tell you that right now. And then she comes out there and says, Trini's not eating. Trini is the one who had that major sinus obstacle. She's starving Puppy and Trini. They were doing fine when I was feeding them 3-4 times a day. Now they're slowly perishing away because they have some damaged teeth because of their age. They don't eat the dry food that much, and they're lucky if they get to eat once a day, a small portion, and then they're slowly being starved. Just like I.